Have you noticed the stairs feel steeper lately? Or maybe it takes a little more effort to stand up from the couch than it used to. That tiny voice in the back of your mind says, "What if I start losing my independence?" You're not alone. But here's something most people never hear from their doctor. It's not always just aging. Sometimes your legs are simply low on the right fuel. And what if I told you that a few simple drinks already in your kitchen could help? They don't just hydrate you. They soothe sore muscles, calm cramps, and even help your legs feel stronger and steadier. No expensive powders, no complicated recipes, just real food that works. Stay until the end, because the final drink is the one most people already have in their fridge, and almost no one uses it right. Before we start, tell me in the comments, how old are you, and where are you watching from? I love seeing where our community is tuning in from. And if you care about staying strong and independent, tap that subscribe button so you never miss a new episode from me, Markus Dexter. Now, grab your favorite mug. Let's get into it. Imagine this. It's evening, your legs ache a little, and you're sipping a warm golden drink that melts the tension away. That's turmeric milk, a centuries-old remedy from Ayurvedic tradition that modern science is finally catching up to. The magic ingredient is curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting effects. Inflammation is one of the main reasons our muscles and joints stiffen with age. Curcumin helps ease that process, making movement smoother and recovery faster. Studies show that seniors who include curcumin-rich foods regularly report less leg pain and better mobility in as little as 4 weeks. Here's how to make it. Warm 1 cup of milk. Dairy or plant-based both work. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to help absorption, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Stir and sweeten with a touch of honey or maple syrup. Sip slowly before bed and let that gentle warmth relax your body. The real secret is consistency. 1 cup each evening for a few weeks can make your knees and ankles feel noticeably freer. Try it tonight and tell me in the comments how you feel tomorrow morning. Next up is bone broth. Simple but incredibly powerful. It's not just soup, it's liquid nutrition for your joints and muscles. When you simmer chicken or beef bones for hours, the collagen and amino acids inside them break down into nutrients your body can absorb easily, and collagen is what gives your joints flexibility and your muscles support. As we get older, collagen production drops. That's why we feel stiffness after simple tasks like standing up or climbing stairs. Regularly drinking bone broth gives your body the building blocks it needs to repair tissues and maintain mobility. To make it, fill a large pot with bones, chicken, beef, or fish, and cover them with water. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It helps pull minerals out of the bones. Let it simmer for 12 to 24 hours on low heat. Strain and season lightly with salt and herbs. 1 cup a day can make a big difference in how your legs feel when you walk or climb. And unlike store-bought soups full of sodium and additives, your own broth is pure nutrition and comfort in a mug. If you want to keep it simple, freeze it in small portions and reheat a cup whenever your knees or ankles need a boost. Now let's talk about the third drink, one that surprises most people. It's simple, creamy, and powerful. The banana and almond smoothie. You've probably heard that bananas prevent cramps. That's true. They're packed with potassium, the mineral your muscles rely on to contract smoothly. But when you pair them with almonds, you double the benefits. Almonds deliver magnesium, another key mineral that keeps nerves and muscles communicating correctly. Together, potassium plus magnesium act like your body's electrical balance, reducing nighttime cramps, fatigue, and that heavy leg feeling after walks. Almonds also provide healthy fats and plant protein, giving your legs steady fuel instead of sugar crashes. And here's the bonus. Both ingredients support better circulation, helping nutrients reach your muscles faster. Here's the quick recipe. Blend 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Add a pinch of cinnamon if you like warm flavor. Blend until smooth and creamy. Drink it in the morning or after a light workout for a natural muscle recharge. Keep this smoothie in your weekly routine. You'll notice steadier energy, fewer cramps, and better recovery in days, not months. Natural remedies work best when used wisely. If you take blood thinners or have gallbladder issues, start with small amounts of turmeric and check with your doctor. If you manage high blood pressure or kidney concerns, use low-sodium bone broth or homemade versions. And if you're diabetic or sensitive to sugar, pair the banana smoothie with extra fiber or protein to stabilize your blood sugar. Remember, moderation and consistency beat excess every time. Let's recap. Turmeric milk calms inflammation and restores flexibility. Bone broth rebuilds your joints and supports strong muscles. Banana and almond smoothie fuels your legs with minerals that prevent cramps and fatigue. 3 simple drinks. No pills, no fads. Just real nutrition your body recognizes. I always say, aging isn't about losing strength. It's about giving your body the right tools to stay strong. Try one of these drinks this week and share your experience in the comments below. What changed first, your energy, your mobility, or your confidence? I read every comment personally. And if you found this video helpful, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next episode, where I'll reveal 5 nighttime habits that stop leg cramps before they start. Stay strong, stay balanced. I'm Markus Dexter, and I'll see you in the next video.